Hey guys, if you've been watching my last few videos, I've explained how the benefits of human growth hormone can have on connective tissues in the body, the muscles, the skeleton, musculoskeletal system in general, as well as cartilage and connective tissue like ligaments and tendons. That's the reason why I'm taking it for some pathologies like osteoarthritis I have in my ankle and menisci injury in my knee. But I'm also looking at other potential benefits because I know it has an effect even on our organs in our body. And I'm kind of curious about organs. So I might do a few videos just on that because it might not be something that everybody necessarily thinks about or when it comes to human growth hormone. So I typed in Google human growth hormone in the heart, like to see a medical journal. And I came across this one. Growth hormone improves cardiac performance in experimental heart failure. Essentially, so I read through this article, and just to sum it up for you, it can help regrow the heart within a matter of weeks. So I'll just read this summary at the end. Growth hormone treatment for 15 days enhanced myocardial contractibility, cardiac output, and stroke volume, reduced left ventricular end diastolic pressure and peripheral vascular resistance, and did not alter heart rate in conscious animals with heart failure, suggesting a potential therapeutic role in patients with CHF, chronic cardiac heart failure. Our study, however, cannot evaluate the effects on GH on survival in this model because of the administration of human GH for longer term, more than 15 days, would produce the antibody against GH in rats. Okay, so essentially, though, to sum that up, it has a positive relationship with the heart, and it makes sense because the heart has a muscles in it, right? And potentially damage that could have been done, especially as we're getting older. And this is what interests me about human growth hormone is the potential it has on anti-aging and potential injuries that we've had through life. Like maybe somebody was not the healthiest person, so they have some heart issues. Or also want to explore on the liver. Maybe somebody was a chronic alcoholic for a number of years and they've got liver problems, and liver can regrow. Maybe it can have a benefit on that. I haven't looked into this, but maybe on the lungs of a smoker, for example, because lung tissue can regrow. It takes a long time, but it can. As well as things like the skin. So I'm going to look into more and more of these types of medical journals, articles, because I'm sure there's a lot out there that normally people aren't. When it comes to human growth hormone, we tend to think of it in terms of like bodybuilding and fitness and things like that. But so here's I'm just going to read this conclusion and then finish this video. Conclusions. These results suggest that human growth hormone treatment may improve cardiac function by both increase myocardial contractility and decrease peripheral vascular resistance in heart failure. That's very fascinating. I think when it comes to heart, like generally, like my understanding of it, damage done to the heart is like irreversible. Like once you screw up your heart, it's one of those organs that's like very hard to first of all like regenerate tissue and things like that. But to fix the heart, that it's not like other muscles in the body you can strengthen in the same ways. It's once that cardiac muscle is done, it's done. But this conclusion shows that potential there could be benefits there as well, which then could translate to things like fitness as well. For example, cardiovascular, things like that, or ability to utilize, pump blood through the body, and things like that. So I'll leave it there. What do you guys think about that? Leave in the comments section below, and I'm going to look at other potential organs as well in the near future and make videos about that because I find things like this very fascinating. Okay, thank you for watching. Peace.